Holy macaroni! Oh my god! It's happening. It's really early in the morning the next day. If you have not seen my last video on why am I so excited, why so pumped, you should go. I'm gonna put it a link over here so you can go and check it out. After this one you can watch it. Thing is, we are the next morning of that video, December 16. Actually, that video was shot December 15, and it's real. This is real. It's happening. It's really happening. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll let you know in a second. I'll go in my computer and I'll show you everything that's going on, what I'm talking about. And actually what we're talking about, it's about YouTube automation. If you don't know what YouTube automation is, you should get on board. You should get on it as soon as possible. Look at how I look this morning. I'm a little tired because I stayed late. First of all, I watched a movie, and then after the movie I decided to start scrolling and start looking into my next direction, my next move. Like Patrick Dave said, always you need to have always at least your 5 next moves ready to go if you want to succeed in life, if you want to advance properly. And so even though this path, this step that I just hit, it's incredible, it's amazing. I didn't expect so much a big result like this. Yesterday I put you the live, and on the live we were at 100. We started with 107 views. This is when I started my live. I was actually putting the feed of my live directly from my YouTube studio into my video, and then I started talking. When I finished talking, we hit 180 views. Just the period that I did that video, which was about 20 some minutes. So in 30 minutes we were able to get about 180 views. And then it went on after I finished my video, edited, and then I posted my video yesterday. And this morning I wake up because usually the shorts, the algorithm, it has a way of doing things, and it's gonna put your video up to 500 people. This is the pre-show of your video. It will show it to about 500 people. So many times you're gonna be excited. You're gonna see that you got 500 views on your short. There's also the 0 view happening, and the 1 view and 2 views and 5 views and things like that. Actually, last week I did a video in my other channel that I'm creating. I'm still working on it. I'm far behind on all my projects and things that I need to do because of the fact that I spent 2 weeks without a car, and then I was looking for a car and all that. But that's how I came up with the idea to open a second channel right away. Even though this channel, Hustle and Money channel, was still, now yesterday got some traction because of that video that I posted, and now I'm up to 69 subscribers, I think, the last time I checked. So I gained 2 new subscribers in a couple of days, and I'm still working hard on this channel, Hustle and Money. If you're not a subscriber, it's a good time to actually subscribe, because I'm documenting my journey from zero. I started on September, September I had 6 impressions. I started in October 14, and now we are December 16. So it's been exactly 60 days that I've been on YouTube, and things are going a little slow, I think, in my opinion, for this Hustle Money. But it's good because it's giving me the time to actually get used to the streets of YouTube, because you need to get used to them. You need to know exactly the tools you're going to be using, the things that you're going to be presenting, the videos, the ideas, the thumbnail tags, and all the rest, all the things, basic stuff that you need, your banner, your logo, your descriptions, and all that. You need to get used to all that. You need to get used to talk to the camera. You need to get used to many things. So I think this is, the training process right now. I'm okay with it. It's going a little slow in my opinion, but it's okay. Plus, like I said, I had 2 weeks where I had an upset in questions of my car, so that took me off my path. But anyways, this helped me to open a new channel, which I'm gonna do now. While this happening, working on Hustle and Money. Now I'm gonna be working really soon on Hustle Money Cars, which is gonna be about cars. I'm gonna be talking a lot about cars, how to repair them, tips, tricks, tools, things like that. And then all of a sudden I had an idea yesterday. I don't know how. It's been in my mind for a little while, and I said I need to get on it. I need to start working on that. And it was YouTube automation, because I've been hearing and all over the place. I've been receiving on my feed a bunch of shorts and also long form videos. They're talking a lot about YouTube automation, and I think that it's actually a younger crowd that is actually doing that. A lot of young people are getting into it, and they are using the YouTube automation to make $10,000 a month, 20,000, 40. I even saw a guy making 40,000 and more. So I said I need to get into that. Maybe because my idea was to work hard on these two channels that I created once, the Hustle Money and the Hustle Money Cars. Work hard on those, and then once I would get all the knowledge and then start working on the YouTube automation. But instead I said, you know what, why don't you get on it right away? Start working on it now and make a trial, make a test. And that's what I did. In 20 minutes I created my new channel. I created my logo, I created my banner, I did all the basic stuff, everything that I learned. And actually I have a video, I'm gonna link it over here, how you can start your own business and your YouTube and all that. I went in detail, step by step, so you can go ahead and watch that. And what I did the same process as I did on that video, but this time what I did is I did it for a YouTube automation project, and I launched my video. I edited. It took me not long, like I said, and launched it at around 12, I think 12 at noon, and let it there. And then I went to check, started getting traction. 11 views, 20 views, 30 views, 50 views. I'm like, what is this? 60 views, and it went on. Once it hit 100, I said, you know what, I need to document this. I need to put a live feed, and I did that. I went into my laptop, I put a live feed, started looking into while it was going up, and I started talking and explaining what I did. And that's where my video, like I said, this is the video part 1. This is supposed to be part 2, and I let it run until I finished my video with 180 views. Then started doing other things, started thinking about what should be my next step. And I let it go. Even like I said, watch a movie. That's why I look a little tired. I watched the movie late and then looked into other ideas this morning. So that's what you guys want to know. The results are in, and my video is performing well. And I said, if it stays around 500 and 600, because I've done this in the past, that I launched a short in the past, and what I realized, the algorithm is gonna let it run, and at about 500, maximum 6, it will stop promoting. It's gonna flat line. You'll see a flat line, and then it won't move anymore. It's just like, okay, it's like it's saying, you know what, I'm gonna give 500, I'm gonna show your video to 500 people, your short. If it doesn't perform, we'll kill it. That's how I think the algorithm was made. If it performs, I'm gonna show it to another 500 people, so that's gonna give you 1,000 views. If it still performs, I'll continue promoting. If not, I'll also flatline. So somewhere in between, it will flatline at one point. Now what's gonna be that amount, I don't know. And one specific trick that I got from someone that actually got me into starting this thing, he said, don't shoot your next video yet. It's very important. Don't shoot your next video. And this is what I'm gonna start using also, even on this channel. Whenever I'm gonna have a good performing video, I'm gonna stop. Even if I have videos that are scheduled in advance, I will postpone them, because you're supposed to let the algorithm work on that specific video. Let the algorithm put all his energy on that video. If you start putting other content, then you will forget that video, and then it's gonna start promoting your new content. You don't want that. If you have a performing video, and I think it happened to me, I had performed at one point a performing long form video about Dash of Faith, passed the 1,000 in one day, and then all of a sudden started putting all the content, I think flatline it at 1.2k. That was the most viewed video on this channel that I have. So my technique now is gonna be that I did my first video yesterday on a short on my new channel, and what's gonna happen, I'm gonna let it ride until it flatlines. Once it flatlines, I'm already working this morning. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna work on my second video. I'll have it ready to go, ready to just upload, and I'll have the description, the title, and everything. And if you haven't seen my other videos, you should go and see my other videos where I explain what do I use. I use a powerful tool. It's a tool from Skywalker. For those that watch Star Wars, I have a video explaining that with the Star Wars team. You're gonna like it. And yeah, that tool is helping me do the titles, the thumbnails, everything really quick. Gives me the title, gives me the thumbnail. I just copy paste, and it's not ChatGPT, because ChatGPT can do that, but it's not gonna be focused into the SEO, into the real keywords, and it's gonna score not good at all. Once I start using, I compare both. I did actually a test. And I should actually do a video about it, me testing both and see who's performing better, the ChatGPT versus my tool. This is a great idea. Now that I'm talking about it, I will make a video about it, but I'm gonna test both, and you're gonna see that one give me between 5 to 10, 20 views maybe the maximum, and the other ones, when I use the other one, it makes at least 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, even 10 times more. I'm gonna have views of 50, 70, 100 views. Sometimes it passes even the 100 views. It goes to up to 200, 300 views. So it's 10x. It's in the terms of Cardone. It's a 10x. So we're 10xing our results thanks to this tool. So this is what's been going on. So let's go right away, because the video is getting a little too long, and I don't want to make it too long. I want to keep my videos under 15 minutes if possible. The results for this morning on my new project, the YouTube automation. On the last video, like I said, the video I made yesterday, I explained more in detail. With this morning, we are at 1,695 views on one video, one small short video. Really pumped, really excited. This is the new project that I'm working on, YouTube automation. You should get on it. And I'm gonna, if you're not subscribed, you should, because I'm gonna document this. I'm gonna give you all the details, the nuggets, the nitty gritty, so you guys can also profit from it and actually make your own YouTube automation, because this is the way to go. We're here to hustle, to make money, hustle money here. Till next time, stay blessed. Go ahead and watch my next video.